Hello?
Jai Shri Krishna.
Anybody able to hear us? How will we know if somebody is speaking from that side? Can somebody paste the message? Are you able to hear us?
See us.
Hello? I can see there are three numbers. Oh, okay, hold on. Watching.
दिख रहा है उनको सुनाई नहीं पड़
Okay, all looking awesome. Okay, watching. Can you just someone confirm that you are able to hear us? Hey Pooja, can you just put the post that you are able to hear us? Get started. Okay. Yes. Okay, they are able to hear us.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Welcome to Southeast chapter. Today we will be representing our chapter for workshops, which is for Diwali. This is Rashmi Aunty, Rashmi Jakotia, and this is Veena Jaju.
Jai Shri Krishna. Happy Diwali everyone.
And myself Anjali Daga. So today हम लोग दिखाएंगे मारनास, our traditional marnas, diyas and rangoli. So please join with us, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask anything. So Rashmi Aunty will start our marnas.
So we are going to do the marna.
Yeah.
And
आंटी अब क्या बना है? सिक्के की थाली सिक्के की थाली जो लक्ष्मी पूजन पे दिवाली पे यूज होती है, आंटी जी हमें वो सिखाएंगे.
या फर्स्ट ये
एक्रेलिक पेंट लिया हमने.
तो थोड़ा सा पानी की जरूरत पड़े तो पानी डाल दो. जितना पतला करना है उतना, जितना चाहिए वैसे करो. And then you put this one. Then I'm going to start this way, so we can make a sikka for Lakshmi Ji.
We will be using this cotton buds. Just make sure that you remove extra cotton from top of it. Otherwise, it will become soggy and your lines of marna will be really thick. So just remove it and start using. She made the circle and now she started designing it.
Then बोलते रहे कुछ.
हाँ जी.
Okay, now I'm making this design, and then I'm going to put a sikka. So
कहते हैं कि सिक्के की थाली लक्ष्मी पूजन में रखने से लक्ष्मी जी बहुत खुश हो जाती है और आपका घर सिक्कों से पैसे से भर जाता है.
Right. That's what we need.
So this time don't forget to involve your kids, your family to make this sikka thali
Okay.
and keep in puja.
I done this design. Now I'll make a sikka.
Circles.
Okay.
She will add, she will start from the edge of the circle, inside edge of the circle. So there is not much space left.
Yeah. I'm making a lot of monies here.
आंटी आप राजस्थान के बारे में बता रहे थे, आप जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ के बारे में.
Yeah, I'm from Rajasthan, Nagaur Jilla, if anybody know that. एंड देन हमारे घरों में तो पहले ये सब साफ सफाई करके वो गोबर की निपाई होती है, फिर उसके ऊपर सूखने के बाद में ये गेरू का मांडना मांडते हैं। सो गेरू और चूना, सो उससे में हाथ अंगुलियों से ऐसे मांडना मांडते हैं बिफोर एनी शुभकामना, दिवाली और एनी अपने त्योहार आते हैं, इसमें हमेशा यही करते हैं। सो आई सीन दैट नाउ। ये हो गया पूरा।
हाँ, पूरा ट्रेडिशनल वे इज लाइक प्रॉपर चूना और गेरू का जो रंग होता है वो यूज करते हैं, बट ओवर द टाइम वी हैव डू नॉट हैव दैट मच टाइम, सो वी केम अ फ्यू शॉर्टकट्स। हम लोग आज एक्रेलिक कलर्स यूज कर रहे हैं। एक तो वाइट पेंट है और दूसरा सेकंड वन है राइप टोमेटो। It's easily available at Walmart or any craft store, and 2 ounce. 2 ounce is more than enough for your half of the house of the mandalas. You can finish with this. I'm sure you're not gonna do that much, but it's very reasonable, and the charm it adds to your house is amazing.
Okay, now I finish this. Then I'm going to put a different, कौन सा कलर है ये?
Geru color.
Geru color. I'll put on dart inside. So यहाँ आने के बाद मैं ये पहली बार कर रही हूँ। अंजलि ने मेरे को बोला, आंटी तुम आके ये सब
मैंने आपका बोलने का मतलब है कि लाइव पहली बार कर रहे हो, वैसे करते तो है, राइट?
Okay, this one is all the सिक्का is done and
आप इसमें कलर करो, इसमें और बिना लाइंस, वैसे लाइंस डाल।
वैसे है ना।
Anybody have any questions?
Yeah.
There is a question saying that what kind of the color do you use? Can you share the picture?
Yeah, it's a acrylic color. It's washable. These are washable acrylic colors.
Keep it next to each other.
Okay.
Both the colors.
Okay. These are washable acrylic colors. They are easily available in craft section at Walmart or even at Michael's or Joann. So, and you don't need it dries quickly, and it's easy to clean up, and it doesn't cost much also, like I think $1 or something. So if you want to try a little bit of
Keep it down.
yeah.
Okay.
इसका तो हो गया ना।
इसको लाइंस लगानी है इस पे साइड में। नहीं, स्ट्रेट लाइंस चाहिए ऑल द वे थ्रू।
All the way through?
हाँ, यहाँ तक
Oh,
जाएगा,
I
तब
see.
तक।
Okay, okay.
Marna is nothing, but it's there are different type of lines. It's an art of different type of lines. So whoever is in like in art section, they knows like zigzag, curvy lines, circles, wavy lines. That kind of lines are used, and you can be as much creative as you want. And basically, when this Marna started long back, the purpose of drawing inside the house and outside the house was to bring good positive energy in your house and to make sure that house is looking nice. पहले के टाइम पे आपके स्टोर्स नहीं थे जो यू गो देयर एंड जस्ट बाय नाइस डेकोरेटिव पीसेस एंड डेकोरेट योर हाउस. तो these were few things which were easily available, and from rich to poor everybody was able to afford it. तो तब यूज होते थे. एंड इसमें शुभ चिन्हों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, जैसे स्वस्तिक हो गया, लक्ष्मी जी के पाने हो गए, लक्ष्मी जी के पगले हो गए, और शगुन की सारी चीजें होती है, जैसे अपने क्या कहते हैं उसे, जो बंदरवाल होता है घर के सामने, उसके कुछ कुछ साइंस इसमें यूज हो जाते हैं. एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स ब्रिंग्स पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर एंसेस्टर्स.
You have to share at 2 places. That's okay.
So our sikka thali is ready.
Sikka thali is ready. If anybody had any question, please you can ask us. This is from our southwest chapter.
कितना टाइम लग गया आंटी जी ये थाली बनाने को?
10 minutes.
Okay, that's good. Within 10 minutes you can just prepare it quickly, right?
And you can make Lakshmi ji happy.
Oh, yeah. That is the best part.
Next is
Okay, they all are appreciating your creativity here. They are saying it is nice and beautiful. So thank you for all your comments. So now we are switching the gear and going to the next topic.
Yeah.
we are using different kind of material to draw, make marna. You can involve this for kids because previously we used paint. हमने पहला paint use करा. हम आपको चौक का मीडियम के थ्रू दिखाएंगे कि आप बच्चों को इजीली एक पेपर दिया और एक चौक दी, and they are all set to go.
So what you are going to do now?
We are making one marna again.
Okay, another manna. Okay.
Another marna, but the medium is different. Not paint, just chalk, white chalk.
Okay.
That's it.
And
we will be making simple लक्ष्मी जी का पगले. तो आप सभी अपने बच्चों को, लड़के लड़कियों को ये लक्ष्मी जी का पाना बनाने के लिए मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं. एंड अगर आप लगाएंगे घर में तो आई एम श्योर कि बच्चे, उनको भी लगेगा कि दे आर इन्वॉल्विंग इन देयर हाउस एक्टिविटीज. What I did, just I folded one paper and I cut it from here to make it a pan shape. So when I will use it as a stencil, now I will draw this here to make a nice paglia marna. This part up, this side down.
you can put that thali na there. Like that.
Basically, Sunita ji gave me this idea of using chalk, which I never tried before, but when I was trying, it turned out very good, and I like it because it's easy. ये होने के बाद आप नीचे से यहाँ से शुरू करके एक वेल यहाँ बना सकते हैं. Next is this side. Marna demands for symmetry, so take your time and be creative as much as you can. more details you add, more good it will look. अब यहाँ हम बीच में एक ट्रायंगल ये डायमंड शेप बनाएंगे and on after diamond shape there both sides there will be लक्ष्मी जी के पगलिया. So anybody who knows हिंदी का गिनती the counting 4 आता है आपको बनाना, draw that first. Or for kids who live here, tell them pot of gold. I'm sure they can make it easily. Bag of gold. So और फिर यहाँ 4 बनाने के बाद आप यहाँ पे लक्ष्मी जी की 5 उंगलियां बना देंगे. एंड इसमें एक डॉट डालेंगे. कहते हैं लक्ष्मी जी जहां भी जाती है उनके पैर में कुमकुम लगा होता है एंड शी लीव्स हर फुटप्रिंट्स देयर. तो उनके पगले ड्रॉ करने का पर्पज ही यह है कि शी इज सो लकी वेयर एवर शी गोज दैट हाउस बिकम प्रॉस्परस. इसलिए मारवाड़ी लोग कभी दिवाली की पूजा करना नहीं भूलते हैं. ये होने के बाद दिस इज कंप्लीट, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज add more details to your marna to make it look more interesting. तो आप ये पेपर पे बाउंड्री दे सकते हैं. if you want something like more sturdy and more durable, आप टाइल्स भी यूज करते हैं. just make sure that tile is basic concrete tile, the smooth one, and little dark color so the chalk can look clearly on it. white पे अगर आप white करेंगे तो उतना अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा वो. अब यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ लाइंस ड्रॉ करूंगी, विच इज ऑल्सो यूज इन मार्नास. इसमें जिगजैग लाइन, कर्वी लाइंस, ऑलमोस्ट सारी लाइंस यूज हो रही है. एंड यू कैन सी जस्ट अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लाइंस कैन मेक सो मच डिफरेंस. The purpose of our keeping our culture alive and doing all these activities is to motivate our new generation and keep our heritage alive. So we will be keep showing you all this, and please make sure you involve your family and kids.
So the comments are coming from the audience. Sonal, that lovely design of the Marna and very clearly explained. Hina is saying this is great. Just transmitting the messages so that you can able to get the live feedback as well.
Thank you.
She is our expert
Yeah.
artist. We
Really
always appreciate, and she done yesterday we had a Diwali function. She done all our decoration.
It was so awesome.
Oh,
So
awesome.
lovely.
So
Yeah,
people
that
really
was
appreciate that, and they were taking a picture after picture. So हमारे तो यहाँ ये अंजलि है, हमको जो भी काम चाहिए उसको बोल देता है.
We will draw coins here. Thank you, auntie. We will draw coins here कि लक्ष्मी जी आ रही है और एंड तक करते कि
कॉइन्स लेकर आ रही है।
कौन सी coins हो गए घर में? You can consider them gold coins also. So here on the top of this also you can add more details. It looks like kind of sun. It represents sun.
so the great idea for someone like me who does not know how to use rangoli powder.
Definitely.
Yeah, she doesn't know because she does all the digital kind of a work. This comment was from Pooja. She
Yeah, definitely you can. If you want to draw rangoli, then you can use different colors of chalks, and you're set to go.
okay. So this is how the final product.
Yeah, it looks like this.
Okay.
Lakshmi ji ka ek pagle. We will move to next one. Anybody who is like in intermediate, we did the basic thing until now, but किसी को अगर डिटेल में थोड़ा बड़ा करना है, then you can definitely do on construction paper. I made this लक्ष्मी जी का पगले जो मैं घर में दिवाली के टाइम पे यूज करना पसंद करूंगी. So I also made this first time. Usually I do it on floor, but this time I wanted to share with all my sakhis, so I use this. So
So just a quick feedback that the paper and the chalks is very great idea for the kids. Very pretty. You are really experts. Very well explained. So things are getting well transmitted, and the audience are excited to learn all these things. Looks to be good.
Thank you. So now we made this on thali, coins thali, Lakshmi ji ke pagle. Now I will show you this one simple swastik, which is also our auspicious sign. स्वस्तिक कोई भी पूजा में हम स्वस्तिक ड्रॉ करना नहीं, निकालना नहीं भूलते, और कोई भी पूजा उसके बिना शुरू नहीं होती है, पूरी भी नहीं होती है. तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. I'm sure anyone who is watching, they all can do it here. What I did, this is a construction paper. मैंने square काटा, और to make it more diamond shape, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और साइड से trim कर दूंगी, and it becomes like more diamond shape. And I will use some pen or pencil to draw outline. मार्कर से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, बट इट डू नॉट मिक्स विद पेंट, सो आई विल बी ओके विद इट कि ये थोड़ा सा कम ज़्यादा भी हो जाए. नाउ first we drew the diamond like this. Now we will, I'm not sure you are able to see it or not, this outline देख सकते हैं?
Yeah, I think in some video it
I
is
will-
going on.
मैं आपको चौक से दिखाती हूँ, so it's more clear. आई एम श्योर बच्चे भी बहुत ईगरली वेट कर रहे होंगे दिए के लिए. दे ऑल आर एक्साइटेड. एंड मॉम्स, आपने प्ले डो ला के रखा होगा, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग, बट इवन नॉट, देन आई एम श्योर आप वो देखने के बाद इस बार सारे दिए घर पे ही बनाएंगे. So you took the सेम स्क्वायर एंड पहले आपने डायमंड शेप की तरह ऐसे ड्रॉ करा, फिर उसको ऐसे करके ड्रॉ कर लिया. सो योर बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर इज रेडी. नाउ आफ्टर दैट यू विल मेक श्योर दैट आप थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा और आउटलाइन बनाएं. हर एक ट्राइंगल जो आउटवर्ड जा रहा है एज ऑफ दिस, तो इससे मैच करता हुआ ये जो कॉर्नर है पेपर का, उससे मैच करते हुए आप एक और ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड रिमेंबर दिस इज लाइक मारना आर्ट, तो आप थोड़ा बहुत कम ज़्यादा हो भी गया, ट्रस्ट मी इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, बिकॉज मारनार्स आर handmade and they are not supposed to be up to the perfection. That's the beauty of this art. आपकी ड्राइंग थोड़ी भी अच्छी ठीक ठाक हो तो आप सीधे हाथ से भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं.
Okay. They are saying that you are the very good artist. Easy way to draw the manna. The audience are liking it so far.
थैंक यू. तो ये हमारा बेसिक जो शेप है वो रेडी हो गया है. नाउ आई विल टेक वन स्मॉल स्क्वायर. We'll try to fit it in. Maybe different one, little bigger. And ये वाला जो शेप रहेगा आपका, इसमें आप स्वस्तिक बनाएंगे आप. Why we are doing with now with paint? Because it will last long. चॉक का है, थोड़ी देर बाद दिनों बाद ये लाइट हो जाएगा एंड यू नो आपने हाथ भी लगा दिया तो ये निकल जाएगा. बट व्हेन यू पेंट इट आप संभाल के रख सकते हैं एंड यू कैन यूज नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन यूज दिस एनी ब्रश, थिन ब्रश यूज कर सकते हैं. मुझे थोड़ा tilted side cut वाला ब्रश पसंद है because it's easy to draw, so I will be using this. Make sure कि आपका जो पेंट है ज़्यादा ना लगे, otherwise there will be lumps and the lines you're drawing on your marna, they will be thick at some places and thin at other. So सेंटर से इसलिए शुरू किया है ताकि हम जब तक आउटलाइन तक पहुँचे एंड तब तक इनसाइड की जो लाइन्स हैं ड्राई हो जाए एंड देन वी आर रेडी टू ऐड डिटेल्स. As you see, it's हल्के हाथ से करना है और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, जैसे कि आप स्मूथली कार चलाते हैं ना, विदाउट ब्रेक लगाए, एग्जैक्टली दैट वे. लेस ब्रेक, लेस मेस. Only the thing you need to be careful for this कि जब ये आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का करें तो लाइक काम डाउन योरसेल्फ. ये बहुत ही रिलैक्सिंग एक्टिविटी है, तो आप घर की ज़्यादा काम नहीं करें. घर के काम अपने बाकी फैमिली मेंबर हस्बैंड से करवाए तो यू आर रिलैक्स्ड, not tired.
It's the tip of
Make
the day.
sure
So
you don't
keep
keep
it in mind.
don't do dishes because you are doing marnas. कुकिंग भी नहीं करे, मैंने भी नहीं करी आज.
हाँ सर, पहले क्यों नहीं बताया मुझे ये टिप? लग रहा है।
See here you see I forgot to clean my brush before putting in, तो यहाँ ठीक हो गई ये लाइन। अगर कहीं मार्जिन करते वक्त कंस्ट्रक्शन पेपर पे आपका थोड़ा मैस हो भी जाए, कीप योर लिटिल पेपर एंड वाटर रेडी। आप स्लाइटली लाइटली वाइप भी कर सकते हैं उसको, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग दिस वॉशेबल एक्रेलिक कलर। हाँ, अब ये यहाँ जो एज है, ये ट्राइंगल्स है, वी विल टर्न देम इनटू फ्लावर। ओरिजिनली जो मांडास राजस्थान में घरों में बनाए जाते हैं, they don't use paint brushes. They just dip this finger, ring finger, and they make this manda just like that. And they are such a good expert in this thing that all the lines they come evenly, and sometimes those mandas are 7 or 8 feet big. बट अगर हम उसका फ्रैक्शन भी कर सके तो आई थिंक वी आर गुड, बिकॉज वी हैव so many other responsibilities. We are moms, we are wife, we are taking care of here in US so many things. So अब ये जो सेंटर पीस छोड़, ये वाला पार्ट छोड़ के, इसमें हम वी विल फिल इट विथ लाइंस, जस्ट स्ट्रेट लाइंस। Again here, this part, then you turn this into V and then start filling with like V shape. And after that, again lines here in this.
So here is a question they are asking that you continue. Can we use an acrylic color?
I'm using acrylic color only. It's
It's
this
the
one.
same thing we used for the other Marna, right?
Yeah, it's the same. It's matte acrylic paint, matte, which is like not shiny, and it's easily washable and it dries quickly because in Marna क्योंकि हम यहाँ से वहाँ शुरू होते ख़त्म होते हैं and we don't want that the kind of paint which takes like forever. And as we move further for Marnas, we will keep adding designs to it. There are these triangles. It's not necessary that you always fill all the designs. You can leave this empty because जो background color होता है, जैसे ये गेरू color है, little on dark reddish side. It looks good this way, but if you want, you can add dots, you can lines, but it's a proper proportion which is used. कि कहीं lines when you are proportioning or your design with filled places and empty places, तो मारना ज़्यादा उठ के आता है. They say that you have to balance it. I know it's taking a little long, but don't go, stay tuned. We are coming with Rangoli and Diya. I have a question. You want to see Diya or Rangoli first, so I can start according to that for next project, next thing.
So their feedback is that because of the matte effect, it gives you the feel that it's been originally white manna made up of the chuna or the dust powder.
Yes, yes.
So this is how you will be keep on completing this part, or
Yes. I will be keep completing with this, and again I will be drawing like one more line inside, and I will draw swastik inside this. It's almost over. You have to add one fine line here just to get fine detail here. You do not need to use geru color in all the marnas. Some people like adding more color, so that's why I gave you that option. But marnas, they can be completely done with just with white color also. It's easy and eco-friendly. So I have shared some of the designs of marnas on Facebook earlier when the request made for some designs, and you can use those design, and you don't have to completely copy exactly that way. You can make alterations according to your convenience, which is easy for आप उसको छोटा कर सकते हो, आप उसको बड़ा कर सकते हो. वो डिज़ाइंस अगर आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्ट लग रही है, you can make them simple and you can draw them. As a parent, it's our responsibility कि हम अपना कल्चर अलाइव रखें. And 4 dots and you're done. I think I messed up here a little bit. Just need the lines. It's done.
Okay.
It's pretty. Looks very pretty. Very nice, Anjali.
Yeah. So this is what all is done, and this is the next Marna, right? So when you did it on this
Thali.
thali, okay. And
Next was the chalk. The medium we used was first was acrylic paint, matte acrylic paint. Second was chalk on a paper, construction paper, and this is we used matte acrylic paint, just white paint on a big construction paper, and we made swastika. You can always make other one, which I'm going on other side. This is Lakshmi Ji ka pagli.
okay, very beautiful, well said, well explained.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, so now what? Then there is a next project.
We want Veena to take over for Rangoli. You want to show the Rangoli?
Here is the next piece we are working on. This is the rangoli basically made with the foam plates and like all the like regular basic stuff like school glue and multicolor glitter or white glitter, whatever you like best, and those Irish necklaces that are like
Custom
available, yeah, in market. So
Old series.
and yeah, old series, yes. The junk in our house. We are turning the junk into something like really, best for our Diwali puja.
Best out of waste.
Yeah, best out of waste. Yeah, that is what we do.
So you want to show them like what you can, how you will be doing that. Like you can use this to make those stencils.
Shapes, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so like you can choose any of the shapes you like. There are like the leaf shape or like the you can call it like oval or semicircle or like maybe triangles. Any kind of shape you can choose, like whatever you like best. And then let's go with the leaf shape.
So because we all are not, even I am not that expert कि फूल पत्ते बनाने में, तो to be on safe side ये पेपर फोल्ड किया है मैंने, and यहाँ से मैं दो शेप के पत्ते बना दूंगी मैं, and so she can draw. I will make it little bigger. This come out really silly. See, you can see I'm a little nervous.
No, you don't be. You are an expert.
So we will because it's little wide, we want कि जो CD में properly fit हो जाए, तो we will trim it. We don't want too wide these leaves, otherwise they won't fit. It should be like some kind of odd number, either 3 leaves or either if you want 4 leaves, then it won't look that perfect. You can do that, but I prefer like adding odd numbers कि 3 एक टाइप के पत्ते डाले हैं and दूसरे टाइप के, so
It will be something symmetrical
yeah,
design.
symmetry, yeah. You can
Or
start
maybe
now.
we can do like all the leaves or all those
Yeah.
shapes.
Mhm.
Yeah, right. Okay, and we cut the same shape on the
Yeah.
plate. Yeah.
So these are foam plates which we are using.
And we are just now we cut this shape from the craft paper, and we are just like drawing with this paper. That's easier to like, you know.
You can draw it. You can cut it. I will draw on other plates.
Okay. Okay, so let's cut it from the foam plate now.
So basically what you are trying to say that you created the shapes and then you are drawing on those foam plates and you will
Yes.
be cutting it out, right?
And we are just using the CD as the center, and we are just like trying to make some design out of the CDs and all the shapes.
Okay.
And that could be like, you know, a good rangoli. Instead of doing the rangoli like on the floor and all that, we can keep this like for a long time with us.
So, okay, so either you can draw 2 different shapes or if you want just the same shape
Oh yeah,
for all of
pretty
them.
much. It's definitely up to your interest, or like maybe the easiness or whatever you like.
You can extend the size and you can make as big as you want, but we are keeping it simple.
So only the reason you are using the foam plate in this project because it brings some kind of a thickness there as compared to if you use just the paper there.
Nowadays, like in India, I got like few ready-made rangolis from India, those are like
Cardboard, I think.
and those are not cardboard, those are like acrylic material or some plastic. It's not easily available here. वहाँ पे special cutting machines होती हैं different to cut those different shapes for plastic. But we are using simple easy materials which are easy at home. So foam is not bad. We all have disposable plates. इतनी parties करते हैं हम लोग तो foam plates तो और सबके घर में मिल ही जाएगी और नहीं भी मिली तो you know it's easily available, easy to cut, and even kids can do this. So that's why we use this medium, and I think it's easy to work on.
Okay, so we do have this 4, 8, 5, 6 shapes. Okay, we get one more.
Like I will cut from over here. This one.
Do you have the scissor to? Hold a second.
Alright, so we do have our 6 shapes here with us.
Last, let me take it.
Okay. So like alternately we'll put, like we made two types of shape. One is the leaf and one is kind of another leaf, okay? So we'll just put those shapes alternately, like maintaining the equal gap in between those two shapes. And then we'll use glue for those shapes to get stick to this CD. So let's just put this glue
Yeah.
here.
Yes. This is white school glue, and this is tacky glue. So we will use tacky glue to glue all the base.
Alright.
So why only tacky glue? Because I think
Tacky glue is like more durable. School glue is like okay with like normal paperwork or like that. But if you use for this kind of type of art projects, school glue dries out, and then these things they will come out easily. Tacky is like it keeps it intact. That's why you use tacky glue.
so they want to see that product, so you should keep it ready here.
I have posted the pictures. They were already shown. We have
Okay.
given them list already.
Okay. There are
So
the
we
live
just,
audience.
like, you know,
Okay, so that's a tacky glue. Got it.
Yeah, it's easily available at Michael's or
any other
Okay.
craft store.
whole
And
plate. You put on the whole CD, whole CD. Just
oh,
cover
whole
it.
thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now Anjali is teaching me this for first time, and then I am helping her out, so just bear with me.
No, it's a teamwork always. So our Sakhis are very cooperative, and like I'm so thankful to Sunita
No,
ji
she is.
and Sakhi, all Sakhis and Dina and Rashmi auntie, so they are here, and everybody is supporting. I was quite nervous this morning, but
No, she
You
is
made
just
it
giving
comfortable.
us an opportunity to really, like, you know, come up and be confident. Okay, so this just let's put this glue, the tacky glue, on the like one part of the CD, like all over, and then
so inside of that we will be using this sharp one also.
okay,
Yeah.
all right, and oh, 3, right?
Yeah. So
Like this maybe.
Put it down. That will be easy then, you know.
Okay,
इसको
alright.
base
That-
को उल्टा करना है.
That's okay.
Yeah.
And don't fix it right away because you don't know the proportion.
Right, I know. Okay, so here, like, we're just trying to put them in a order that they are all at the same distance, and they make a good design. Okay. Alright. So turn around and let it run.
Like you take another CD.
Oh yeah. Okay. So the same thing happens to this CD. We glue it all over and then we stick on here, so that, like, you know, it's a compact, like it's pretty much glued to each other. Okay, so let's put like right on top of the CD that we have put as a base. This
You
is
can
good.
keep it here. Yeah.
Okay, so here it is, like the basic design. Good.
Yeah.
All right, and then glue on.
Yeah. Again on top.
Okay, so glue goes again on the top of the CD, and we'll be making some design over here to make it look a little more fancier.
So Sunita ji is saying that the good use of the old CDs, and I hope that you don't have the old songs on that, right? Because I do like those old songs.
Old is good, yeah, old songs are good too. But right now we have everything available on our like phones and tablets and everywhere, so we don't really need
Don't
the
worry,
CD.
Sunita ji. We use just scratch CDs, so there is even the music is there. It's
I think next time somebody should invent that musical rangoli, okay? So whatever the CD you puts there, they can
Yeah.
play as well.
Okay, so this was that garland we get in the
Gasparilla bead.
craftsman again. Oh, what is the
Gasparilla beads.
Gasparilla beads. Okay, I never knew it. Okay, so all right, so let's just break it, and then like we are going from the center to make a like design on top of this CD.
Pooja is saying that she is already loving this idea. Cannot wait to try this.
Awesome.
Thank you, Pooja.
Okay.
Yeah, now use stones here.
Alright, and those are the rhinestones. You get it in different colors and different sizes. Like you can choose whatever colors will go better with those. Like looking at the color combinations and stuff.
I like to use random colors, so it's easy to put. आप बड़े वाले भी use कर सकते हो बड़े pieces, but I had this like available at home, so I thought just to use that.
It looks like all the rainbow colors. It looks really pretty and nice.
Yeah. In fact, आपकी अगर घर में old राखियाँ भी होंगी and like you have lot of them, you can mix and match, and you can use those. If you don't want to use rhinestones, options are endless.
I think they can use the confetti.
confetti use कर सकते हैं आप, and like pebbles use कर सकते हैं. One of my friend, she had tons of those pebbles, colorful pebbles. She just put those around, and I never thought about that, but it looked wonderful. It really did.
So I mean, it's definitely up to you. Whatever you like the best, whatever you like to try, and definitely it's gonna look nice.
Looking so pretty, Anjali and
Veena.
Veena.
Thank you, Auntie.
I'll take it home, this one.
Oh, sure.
Somehow, while starting this event, I started with this two different instances of it. So, two different group is watching. I can see that. In one of the instances, there are almost around 12 to 15 audience, and another there are 5 to 7. And Mohana Manihar, she is saying that it's a great idea and efforts. I am watching from India, almost midnight there.
Oh wow! Thank you so much, dear. It really makes us happy.
So do not forget to make your piece of art and share with us. Tell her don't sleep. We have one more interesting project coming.
Coming up, yeah. Stay tuned.
This is something like this one.
Yeah, dear.
I think I kept the desert for end.
Aha.
Alright.
And there is a हमने इसमें glue लगा दिया है and like rhinestones लगा दिया है. This glue is still wet, so what we will do? कोई भी color का sprinkler लेना, glitter लेना ना. That one, other one that is open.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
So what you do?
I think this one will go with this. Whichever
So
color like.
whatever the between spaces on CD where it has glue, you just sprinkle it. तो जो बीच की स्पेस है वो
Shiny,
शाइनी
glittery
स्पार्कल से कवर हो जाएगी.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
एंड अगेन यू टेक टैकी ग्लू, आप पूरे इस पे लगा दीजिए एक साथ. डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग.
Anyways, it's white and it's not gonna show up. So you just go ahead and go ahead and get it gluey all over, because we are anyways sprinkling the glitter over here, so it's not gonna matter.
So the good part about this glue is that after the dry, it's become invisible. Is that the property of it, or?
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
invisible.
invisible. It becomes transparent. So
Okay.
you can see that.
Yeah. So previously, I not used to use the more glue because it used to feel so ugly, and that finish touch was not better. But in this case, whichever the glue is open, it will become transparent. So that's
Just go
good.
wild and put it. Don't worry about the outcome.
And while she's putting that, I will start putting, because we are running out of time. So I will start putting. आप जितना close लगाना चाहे वो भी लगा सकते हैं. If you want to put little far away these stones, मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा दूर रहता है तो stones कम लगते हैं. You know, मारवाड़ी thinking.
But more than that, it's looking a little better, you know. Sometimes having the space, it looks more spacious.
Oh yeah.
And time भी कम लगता है तो.
And kids love this art and craft, you know, like last week we did this thing here. Anjali had one workshop with all those like rhinestones and stuff, and kids loved it so much. They did it with like very seriously. Okay, so
तो हम लोग पहले
Rhinestones
quickly,
लगा.
हाँ, rhinestones.
Okay.
We will remove this so they can see us.
oh yeah.
Thank you all Sakhis for watching us so patiently.
These are like different shapes and sizes you will get like in all the craft stores, Michaels or anywhere. Like you can always choose whatever you like to go with.
And there is another good idea coming from Dhruti Rathi. She is trying to say that it's not only the idea, but idea with a task. That would you or anyone else demonstrate the floating rangolis in another session? So, yeah, I'm sure that whoever has some swimming pool or maybe some kind of a pond, they can put the floating rangolis in it. That's a good idea.
Yeah, it's very nice idea, but I have never worked on it. But definitely it's very interesting. If any of our Sakhis knows in our group, even I will like to see that.
And
But
Pooja
they
just
have to see you, Anjali. You are good for that way. You can do it anything you want.
yeah. Now we have a lot of good talented
Yeah.
Sakhis there. I can see that. Pooja has added the idea in it to do that floating rangoli that we can try using some clear plastic plates.
Yeah, like they should be little curvy, so they can float and पानी नहीं जाए उसमें तो it can be done.
There you go. The outline is done.
And now the end part is
Glitter.
glitter. Just sprinkle generously.
ये
ये शायद दूसरा वाला खुला होगा.
ये white one. Or maybe we can alternate
हाँ ये.
like the white and this one.
No, we can mix both the colors.
Oh, okay.
Just like red भी डाल दिया and
A little bit of this.
हाँ.
Yeah, it will look good. Yeah.
So because white plate है तो white sprinkle डालने से वो white part cover हो जाता है. It looks a part of it.
Yeah, and I mean you get like multicolor glitter too if you want to go with multicolor.
We have this one too.
Oh, yeah. Just like we said earlier, there is no limitation. You can just go wild wherever, however you want. There you go.
The beauty of art is sky is the limit.
Oh yeah. So this is the final product, right?
Yes.
You can take the plate out if you want.
You can put it here in the base just like this, and it's ready to go.
Wow, it's wonderful. Yeah, people are liking it with all the emojis nowadays rather than the text.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you
Heart
so
cookies. So, should we move on to dessert?
Okay, so
Can you
this
show
is
those
the
diyas? Like,
okay. So this is what we are trying to prepare now, right?
The
yeah.
next project.
So this is our next and the final project, right?
Yes, this is the my favorite one. I work with kids. Like I almost made like 30 kids to prepare this diya, and that year almost each family, no one purchased the diyas. They just made these diyas and they decorated. Every family made more than 50 diyas. It's that easy. So don't go, okay?
Okay.
We're coming back.
Yeah, they are already saying that they are hungry for the dessert. So
You love to see. I want to show.
You need
So
you need mirrors, right?
yeah, just I don't need that. So basic materials मैंने already share किया है, फिर भी I just want to repeat one more time. चकला बेलन, rolling pin जो भी आप बोलते हैं.
yeah.
So
वैसे भी आज खाना नहीं बन रहा है, so you can use it here. Right?
वो ही इसी से पेट भरना होगा. So this is colorful Play-Doh. I just love this Play-Doh so much. It's like feels so good. Soft and colorful.
So what else? You have to just bring it quickly. So
Yeah.
Play-Dohs.
It's Play-Doh. There is a tacky glue. This is fine glitter. I use bronze because it's give little antique look, but you can use gold also if you want. Again, these are rhinestones and old CDs and little bit of we will be using school glue. So, and we will be making can you show this? These diyas. We are making these diyas. We can use first I will just show you just basic diya and decorate a little basic thing. Then if you want you can go wild as much as you can. You can add flowers made of Play-Doh. You can add more stones, or you can totally skip it. Sky's the limit. So first I will show you and also I have like some कटोरी thingy. थोड़ी बड़ी वाली रहे तो अच्छा है. हमारी यूजुअली स्टील की कटोरियाँ थोड़ी छोटी होती है इससे. I will say थोड़ा सा जैसे कि ये बोल है ये साइज का अमेरिकन साइज की जो कटोरी होती है वो थोड़ी यूज करें. नहीं तो आपका जो ये टी लाइट है जो टी लाइट यूज होता है ये उसके अंदर फिट नहीं होगा आप छोटा बनाएंगे तो. आप अगर इससे बड़ा टी लाइट यूज करते हैं दिवाली के लिए यूजुअली दिस लास्ट फॉर 5 to 6 hours, so I prefer this one. बट जो दूसरा होता है इससे बड़ा वाला वो 8 hours तक चलता है. इफ यू वांट टू मेक दिस वन तो आप दिस साइड इस साइज की कटोरी यूज करें, CD साइज की कटोरी यूज करें तो इट विल हेल्प यू टू फिट इन दोज बिग टी लाइट्स. नाउ आई विल मेक इसकी जो जैसे आप आटे का गोला बनाते हैं वैसे कोई भी एक कलर का ले सकते हैं. इसके बाद मैं आपको 3 टाइप से बताऊंगी. वन सिंगल कलर, मल्टी कलर एंड देन द डिटेल वन. तो इसकी आप रोटी बेल लें.
तो रोटी तो बेलना ही है आज.
बेलना ही है. हाँ,
मिली नहीं
किचन से छुट्टी नहीं मिली है.
रोटी तो
किचन से छुट्टी नहीं मिली है लेकिन हाँ हम रोटी फिर भी बेल ही रहे हैं. Play-Doh की ही सही. नाउ आई फील लाइक थिंग इज कि आप जब अपना इसका Play-Doh यूज के दिए बनाए बहुत पतला नहीं होनी चाहिए, एकदम पतली रोटी नहीं बनाए. सोचो आप जवारी की रोटी बना रहे हैं तो थोड़ी मोटी ही रहे. नहीं तो अदर सूखने के बाद ये Play-Doh और थिन होता है एंड फिर ब्रिटल हो जाता है और ब्रेक हो जाएगा एंड देन इट वोंट लुक नाइस. तो आप थोड़ी मोटी मोटी रोटियां बना लें. ओके फिर मोटे बनाए एंड देन जस्ट प्रेस इट लिटिल बिट सो कहीं भी थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा हो तो इवन आउट हो जाएगा. देन आई हैव दिस. You can use cookie cutter also if you want, सर्कल वाला. मैं easy to use, easily available चीज़ें लेना पसंद करती हूँ, so I use this. Again, जब ये कट कर लिया है, I want to smooth out the edges. Now the edges are smooth. Okay, so now all the purpose of now we will be making this diya in like 1 minute. So आपको quickly करना है without before it dries out. One edge को press करा, okay, then दूसरा edge press करा,
By keeping the thumb inside.
हाँ, thumb inside ऐसा यहाँ से, and then just in your mind keep like 4 corners. Okay, तो ये 4 corners से आपको इसमें press करना है, and this your diya is ready. और थोड़ा बॉटम में भी प्रेस करें क्योंकि आप चाहते हो कि अपना दिया पूरा अच्छे से बने, नहीं तो ऊपर से बंद होगा और नीचे से रह जाएगा. नाउ वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस सीडी एज अ बेस. तो व्हाट आई विल डू कि मैं इसको थोड़ा ग्लू लगाऊंगी सेंटर में लाइक दिस. देन आई विल पुट दिस दिया हियर इन द सेंटर, एंड क्योंकि चिपकना अच्छे से चाहिए, ये जो एजेस है इनसाइड के का दिखाएंगे आप, इसको प्रेस करके अंदर से ताकि ये पूरा ग्लू हो जाए, चिपक जाए सीडी को. डन, ये चिपक गया. मेक श्योर इट इज इन सेंटर. आफ्टर दैट डू दिस, टेक दिस स्कूल ग्लो. स्कूल ग्लू लिया आपने, एंड इसमें थोड़ा सा जस्ट फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर, नॉट टू मच, वी डोंट वांट इट टू रनी. तो थोड़ा ही ले लिया और वी विल ब्रश आवर दिया फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. बी जेंटल बिकॉज आवर प्ले डो इज स्टिल वेट. तो ज़्यादा प्रेस करेंगे तो देन वो शेप टेढ़ा हो जाएगा एंड आपका दिया खराब हो जाएगा. तो डोंट डू दैट. एंड देन ये पार्ट जो ऊपर एजेस है इनको अच्छे से ग्लू लगाना मत भूलिए. देन फ्रॉम इनसाइड like this. So it's wet. Now while it is wet, you take your fine dust. Make sure you जो आपका ये इसमें like जो छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं वाला पार्ट यूज करें, क्योंकि आप दूसरे सेट करेंगे एंड इट विल बी लाइक
Hill of glitter.
yeah, it will become a pile of glitter. We don't want that much glitter. इसको बाहर से शुरू करें ताकि आपका हो जाए. We don't want to put so much glitter कि प्लेडो का कलर ही छुप जाए. So just put little bit here and little bit there, not too much, क्योंकि we want our festive colors to show. Orange, yellow, green, red, blue. This is diya. Now sometimes I just prefer making like quick diyas, तो मुझे उसमें बहुत सारा कुछ ऐड नहीं करना होता है. So मैं सीडी पे भी वही ग्लिटर स्प्रिंकल कर देती हूँ.
Yeah, so somebody is asking, I think Parul Soni is asking that what's the clear thing she just put? I mean, so that what was that? Which
This
glue
is
was
a
that?
school glue. It doesn't need to be a clear glue. आप जो थोड़ा white वाला आता है, white वाला glue आता है वो भी use कर सकते हैं. It becomes transparent after some time. I had this available at home, clear glue, so I use that. So and instantly फिर वो show करता है कि you know you have done how it is looking. So जो CD पे आपने glue लगाया है उसके ऊपर भी आप ये कर दीजिए, सेम स्पार्कल ग्लू कर सकते हैं आप. एंड आफ्टर दैट, बिकॉज द CD itself is shiny, So we will take advantage of that. We will just take our finger and now यहाँ पे इसको राउंड करेंगे, यहाँ पे ऐसा क्लीन कर देंगे. So it will look like glass. उसमें का वो दिखाना है.
Okay, I can see that from here. Something like this, okay. See. Okay.
And not just circles, you can draw lines. आपने clean कर दिया. These lines they become lines. Yeah. Now I will make this is your diya complete. आप इसमें मैं भी इसमें ग्लिटर लगाऊं कि जब दिया इतना शाइनी है तो मेरा टी लाइट भी थोड़ा सा ग्लिटरी होना चाहिए. It will look nice. So yeah. So but it choice is yours. If you have time, you can put that. तो ये डाल के रख दिया. Let it for dry. आप इसको डायरेक्ट जिस दिन बनाया वैसे भी लगा सकते हैं, but it's wet तो आप उसको हाथ नहीं लगाया, नहीं तो वो आतड़ा हो जाएगा. पर 2 दिन में सूख जाता है, 2-3 दिन में आराम से सूख जाता है. Those are all dried one and then they look really nice. So this is our diya. You can make multicolor diya, which I will be showing you next. जितना भी प्लेडो बच जाता है, like little orange, little blue, सब दिया बनाने के बाद I turn them into rainbow diyas. Sorry.
Okay, so you had even given the name to this diya as a rainbow diya?
Yeah.
Oh, I never saw that.
So all leftover, okay, all leftover Play-Dohs, जितना भी बच गया, I mix all of them. Like usually I make like 3 balls, 1 and 2 and 3, and then I make one single ball out of it, and then I press it. तो ये हो गई आपकी लोई होती है रोटी की ना वैसा. So now I will roll it. Again, don't forget थोड़ा मोटा ही रहिए.
Oh, it's looking so pretty.
Yeah. And then you will cut again with this your cutter, cutter. See, I will give you a little idea about like कि कितने बड़े टी लाइट के लिए कितना बड़ा लेना है. तो जैसे ये टी लाइट के लिए है तो it should be little the size of this cutting should be little bigger than 2 diyas. तो इसमें फिर दिया फिट हो जाएगा. सेम अगर इससे बड़ा वाला यूज कर रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर ये यहाँ रख के देखिए, यहाँ रख के देखिए, इससे थोड़ा बड़ा है then that is perfect for your size of your diya. Again press it little bit. Now again we can press at 4 corners, 4 edges and ये दिया बनाएंगे, ये दिया बनाएंगे. ये बना आपका. मेक श्योर चारों साइड इवनली करें आप तो शेप सही दिखेगा. And again diya is ready. Now you have to keep your base ready. Sometimes I prefer कि थोड़ा सीढ़ी पर भी डेकोरेशन रहे, इसमें भी थोड़ा और कलर ऐड हो सके. सो व्हाट आई डिड कि मैंने ये प्ले-डो लिया एंड इसमें थोड़ा 4 जगह थोड़ा ग्लू लगा के रख दिया. 4 corners. You can do more than 4 also. So I will be making this छोटी छोटी 4 लोइयाँ सेम साइज की. इसको प्रेस करा रख दिया. अगर आपके पास कोई कटर वगैरह है, स्टेंसिल्स या ऐसा कुछ है जिससे आप here like I am making like flower. And फिर इन सेंटर में I chose to like use rhinestone. Now I will press glue this here, right here on the CD. So 4 flowers. मार्कर पेंसिल आप छोटा जितना फाइन डिटेल करना है कर सकते हैं, बड़ा करना है बड़ा कर सकते हैं. दिस टर्न्स इनटू फ्लावर. अगेन 1 rhinestone in center. वो भी ऑप्शनल है, आपको करना है तो आप करें, बट आई गेस इट लुक्स नाइस. सो अगेन लास्ट छोटा वाला, और इसमें भी फ्लावर बनाया और इसको यहाँ लगा दिया. तो आपके 4 फ्लावर्स रेडी हो गए. अब आप अपना दिया लगा दीजिए सेंटर में. एंड वी विल पुट ग्लिटर ऑन ऑल ओवर टुगेदर. सब साथ में करेंगे. तो ये जो दिया है इसको मेक श्योर फ्लावर के ये जो 4 एजेस है ये फ्लावर के ऊपर ना आए. एंड देन यू प्रेस इट इन सेंटर अच्छे से. लाइक दिस. अगेन देन वो प्रेस होने के बाद मैं यहाँ पे आई लाइक टू ऐड मोर डिटेल्स, मोर स्टोन्स टू मेक श्योर इट लुक्स लाइक गुड. 1 2 3.
Your battery is low now.
We are almost done. So 1 2 and 3. Again like 1. You can put more or less as per your taste. So and after that it's like again you brush your diya with school glue. लिया, इसको कवर करा. मेक श्योर यू डू इट दिस एजेस, ऊपर के टॉप एजेस इसको अच्छे से करो. अंदर भी यहाँ से लगाया. ये आपका जो फ्लावर है इनके एजेस पे भी लगाना मत भूलो. यहाँ पे राइनस्टोन छोड़ के बाकी आप लगा सकते हैं. राइनस्टोन को छोड़ दीजिए. एंड देन यू अगेन डस्ट इट. यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. टैप विथ योर फिंगर, तो धीरे धीरे आता है. मेक श्योर डू नॉट कवर टू मच because you want to see your rainbow colors in your rainbow diya. And then inside और फिर अपनी जो साइड में फ्लावर्स है उस पर हल्का सा डस्ट कर लीजिए. We don't want too much but just little bit. And extra dust you can clear with your finger or just like फूक मार दिया एंड डन. हैप्पी दिवाली.
Okay.
Happy Diwali.
So what? This is what all the project is about now, right? So this is
It was Diwali special, Diwali decoration special. So we made mandalas.
okay. So can you just brief it from the beginning now? What all you have done, and let's conclude this session then, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Rashmi aunty showed us सिक्के की थाली, कॉइन की थाली. हाँ, जो लक्ष्मी पूजन में यूज होता है. हाँ,
पेपर. ओके.
अभी जो हमने एक्रिलिक पेंट से बनाया, उसके बाद में हमने आपको इजी मीडियम दिया जो आप बच्चों के साथ यूज करते हैं मारने के लिए, दैट इज चॉक. थैंक यू सुनीता जी. दिस वाज रियली गुड आइडिया. And then we made this marna. Which is swastik. we used construction paper and acrylic paint. After that, we made rangoli, which is old CDs and disposable foam plates, glitter, glue, and rhinestones. And these are Play-Doh diyas. We made rainbow diya, and then we made single color diya. So I hope you enjoyed the session and you will make your piece of art, and definitely I want to see this, so don't forget to share it.
Yeah.
Okay, so almost all are saying that these are the lovely and the awesome projects. They liked it so much. Thank you for all of you for sharing it. And they all wish you a happy Diwali and prosperous New Year.
Happy Diwali to all Sakhis. Thank you for watching us.
being with us. Thank you.
So thank you, Auntie Anjali and Veena. Oh, I don't want to read my name. That's good. So thank you, Sakhi groups.
Thank you so much to Ashish. He just made sure that we are going live with you
He
all.
was there.
And I want thanks to Anjali.
Yeah.
She is our artist.
Okay.
All Sakhis and everybody.
Okay. So
Hope
thank
to see
you.
you soon again and with like new more ideas.
Okay. So thank you all Southeast chapter for doing this great event. Wish you all the happy New Year and happy Diwali.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye.
Bye bye.
All right. Now we have to go home.
Okay.